APIs, serverless, GPU instance in one AI cloud. Welcome to the latest release of Novita AI. This video is going to proudly announce that you can now scale your AI innovations with the Novita AI GPU instance. The most significant feature you can enjoy is that we help with saving your budget up to 50%. You can choose your own option and pay only for what you use. Novita AI provides you free and large capacity storage with no transfer fees, and you can deploy GPUs from more than 20 locations around the world with a lag less than 200 milliseconds. Novita AI allows you to simplify AI with only 3 clicks, enables instant access to GPU cloud services directly through your browser, and our APIs are truly easy to use. Manage and optimize your workflows with our developer-friendly API. You are able to launch, terminate, and restart instances effortlessly. Get started with Novita AI GPU instance right now.